Welcome to WebStyles. How to check form submissions in WordPress. To know when a form was submitted in WordPress, you will have to see which form plugin you are using in WordPress. If you are using Contact Form 7 WordPress plugin, insert this code in functions.php file in your theme to detect when the form was submitted. If you are using WPForms, use this code in functions.php file to detect form submission. For Gravity Form, you can use this code. Usually forms in WordPress send an email to the site administrator, which in your case would be you. So whenever a form is submitted, you typically receive an email notification. However, I understand that your form might be serving a different purpose. In such cases, especially when custom functionality is involved and the form does not send an email, you may still want to know whether the form was submitted or not. That's where these techniques come in handy. They help you detect and track form submissions even when no email is sent. So if you are not using any form plugin and it's a custom HTML PHP form, use this code to detect if the form is submitted or not. You can also view form submission entries in WordPress. Form plugins allow that. In WPForms, submissions are automatically stored under WPForms entries, but it's for the WPForms Pro version. All future form entries will be stored in your WordPress database and displayed on this entries screen, but in WPForms Pro. For Contact Form 7, you can use Flamingo plugin. It stores entries here, an inbound messages page. Or you can use Contact Form 7 DB plugin or advanced Contact Form 7 DB. Contact Form 7 DB plugin stores entries here under Contact Forms. All the contact forms will be listed. To see entries submitted by a particular form, click the name of the form to see all the entries under that form. Gravity Forms also has a built-in entry storage under Forms Entries. So usually these form plugins have a built-in functionality to store submitted data, or you can use an additional plugin to track form submissions in WordPress, or you can use these custom codes in functions.php file. I will share these custom codes in video description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.